Okay, last one. Yes, and it's the gift with purchase, Brite Bomber. There is no digital build, it's just a manual. I think I've got an online manual. I've gone to the website. It's got a gift with purchase, Brite Bomber, and it's got a price that's crossed out, $9.99. I'm sure they'll bring it out later for everybody to buy, because they can't not really, can they? I mean, Lego Fortnite, please. The people that didn't buy $100 worth, give them a break and release this. So only 151 pieces. It's set 40728, Brite Bomber. I never noticed, but it's B-R-I-T-E, Bomber. Interesting. So it's a brickhead, so that should be cool. Got a little bit of description on the website. Let's have a look, see what it says. Thrill gamers with this awesome Lego Fortnite Brickheadz Brite Bomber building set for fans aged 10 and up. Inspired by the Lego Fortnite video game, it lets kids build a Brickheadz version of the iconic video game figure. A cool gift for Fortnite fans, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, yeah, it's just sales speak, really. This basically is, or was, the first person you saw in Lego Fortnite when you started. 9 times out of 10 you got Brite Bomber, who would help you by giving you hints of what you needed to do. So if you didn't know, you do now. So let's have a look, see what we've got. We don't get gift with purchase over here. This is again part of the haul I got from Seattle, sorry, brain's gone. And it is currently 8:38, so it looks like I will finish before the update. Awesome! And the update of Lego Fortnite is today. So, we haven't got numbered bags, we've got 3 bags. And I'm hoping to be able to download the instructions and I'll start the build. Hit the like button, click the like button, whatever you can do, comment. This really helps if you do, even just hitting the like button. If you enjoy the video, smash the like button. Doesn't cost you anything, it's free. Subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. If you want to see more content, comment if you have feedback on what I'm doing. And we're done. Actually really enjoyed that. I love the details, the glasses, the ponytail, the colour schemes, the pickaxe, and so nice for them to include 1 printed piece at least, plus the eyes obviously. And then we've got like the sunglasses look really cool, and you can kind of put them up, whatever I do, you know, whatever. Nothing to play with, but shame she hasn't got a proper mouth. That's the only thing I'd say, but gift with purchase, $10, free. We like free. I like it. I think it's cool. And it's going to go with all my others. So there you go. Brite Bomber done. Burger done. Did all these plus peely. So awesome. I'll get on and put them somewhere now, I suppose. All right, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it. This is all coming out of my own pocket. I love it, so I can't complain. Even if I wasn't doing videos, I'd still be doing this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and Brite Bomber will see you in the game. Thanks very much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.